Sebastian, you're gonna get to meet Ayah today. Yeah. Who's gonna meet Ayah? Are you gonna take her one of your cars as a gift? She's not here yet. We're gonna go to her. Yeah, you're gonna give her a car?
Yeah, you're gonna meet Sebastian today. You're gonna meet Sebastian. Are you excited? Mo. Yeah? Okay, let's get you dressed. Okay. Let's get you dressed in your cute little outfit. Yay! You don't want to be down there, huh? You want to be up? Yeah. Say hi. Hi. I'm Daddy's little girl. I'm Mini Jonathan. Yes, I know you guys are going to leave comments saying how much she looks like her dad. That is 100% true. Look at that face. It's little Jonathan. Mini me. Yeah? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. And when she sees the camera, she just stares at it. It's so funny. She just stares at the camera like, yeah, where's the camera? Where's the camera?
Hello.
Okay, Ayah's all dressed up. She got she ate. She got dressed in her cute little outfit. She's about to meet Sebastian. They're waiting outside the door. They have never seen each other before. Okay, Ani, bring him.
Where's Ayah?
Hi, Sebastian.
Look at this little princess. She looks so cute.
Say hi. Want to give a kiss?
Hi, Ayah.
Do you want to give a little kiss to Ayah?
Where's Ayah?
Yeah? Give a kissy kiss.
Yeah? You want to blow a kiss?
Give a kiss.
You want to blow a kiss?
Look how curious he is.
He's like nervous.
Is this your first
Ayah.
date?
Yeah. Sebastian, look. Ayah's here.
Where's Ayah?
Hi, Ayah. It's okay. It's okay. Mama still loves you.
Come here. Auntie will hold you. Auntie will hold you. Oh, yeah. Oh
my
yeah.
God,
This is so cute.
It's okay.
Where's Ayah? Where's Ayah, Sebastian?
Say hi, Ayah.
Give a kissy kiss. So cute.
I guess he's not ready for a little sister.
This is
Or a
practice
little
for the sibling.
Okay, I'm still your mama.
This is sort of amazing right now.
Where's Ayah? Oh, you're okay.
Look at Ayah, she looks drunk.
Yeah.
Are you milk drunk?
Hi.
Ayah's like, why aren't you paying attention to me?
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say hi.
Okay. You want to read a book? Do you want to read a book to Ayah?
Let's read a book to Ayah, Sebastian.
Let's read to Ayah. Good job. If I were a puppy, my nose would be squishy. My tail would be furry.
Yeah.
Hi, Ayah.
Hi.
Hi, Ayah.
Want to touch your hand? Where's her hand, Sebastian? Where's Ayah's hand? Where's her hand? Where's Ayah's hand?
Hi.
Where's Ayah's hand?
Get her cute hand.
Yeah,
Oh,
good job.
Come on. Why don't you give your card to the baby?
Yeah,
Aw.
good job.
Good job. Good job sharing your
Thank
card.
you. Say
Good
thank
job
you.
sharing your card.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Bravo, Sebastian.
Good job.
Bravo, Sebastian. Car.
Car.
Are you sharing your car?
Are you teaching her car?
Good job.
Are you flirting?
She's
Are you
totally
flirting?
She's like smiling at him.
Ayah.
That was definitely interesting.
Very eventful.
Very eventful. I have a feeling that this is the start of a beautiful friendship or arranged marriage. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye.